Hi, girls. Ed Williams. Sorry, it's a good day to be a duck, not a chicken. It's pretty wet out. That's the brakes screeching on hard. Hi, everybody. As we lay in there, sweetie. I know, it's nasty out. No, I didn't even want to go out in this. Oh, good girl, Leo. All right, ladies, do you think we're going to brave it? A very special breakfast. There's even bread on it, see? William. Today's bath day. Are you excited? William loves tomatoes and he loves bread. It's a hard choice to make, he says. Let's move this over here so it's under shelter a bit. See? Got a roof. Is that better? Look at him standing all on his own. Keeping him inside just because it's dry in there. Oops, sorry. Just looking at the girls trying to film William. Were you just enjoying the taste? He's a funny one. Ugh, it's a wet day even to be a duck, huh, ladies? Just Mare and Neo so far. Oh, you got it, buddy. Oh, I'll help you, bud. Hold on. Let's get you. Here you are. Hey, hey, calm. Calm. Think. Breathe. There you go, buddy. Good boy. Hi, Mare. Come to see your boyfriend. Don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's still just as windy today. I can predict that the girls are going to spend most of the night, or most of the day, pardon me, in here, under the coop, or in the baby coop, where the first three were raised. Yesterday people commented about keeping the birds warm. I've got these, which are ceramic heaters. They're not very big, they're only 100 watt. So you can see they've been on all night. I can rest my hand here. I won't burn myself. To be safe, I have these pieces of wire I put over them so the birds can't land on them and burn their little feet. But this puts just a little bit of heat in, takes the chill away. Then I've got vapor barrier. This is the stuff you actually use between your shingles and your roof. I just happen to have some spare stuff, so I use that to reduce the amount of airflow. In the summer, that's all off, so that there's a lot of airflow and circulation in here to keep all the toxic gases from their poo and pee ventilated so that they don't get sick. All right, well, it's a wet day. I'm gonna get William in, warmed up, and then it's bath time. You might see some videos of him with the dryer today. Take care, everybody.